What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Finally getting a ride again, which is nice. It's been a minute. It's been about 3 weeks, actually. But I'm riding on a Saturday evening, which is very rare for me anymore because I'm always at work on Saturdays. But I got home from military leave a little early, so figured tonight I would head out to the car meet that I usually went to on Saturdays last summer when I actually had time off to go. Hopefully they're still having those, and there's one going on right now. Otherwise it's just gonna turn into a normal ride, I guess. But the plan is to head to this car meet. If they still have it at the same place on Saturdays. So last time I went riding, I talked about July 26th, how rough that was for me, and then how I got rear-ended again. Well, I don't know why I said again, but like just to make that day bad again. Funny enough, a couple days later, I needed a new air filter for my car, so I went to AutoZone to go do that. That was a whole hour-long process just to not even get one because they didn't have anything that fit right. So after opening stuff, trying it out in the parking lot, all this stuff, a whole bunch of different things, I couldn't get one that actually fit, and they didn't have it. So I ended up returning everything and leaving empty-handed. As I left, I was driving down the road, made it like 5 minutes, and all of a sudden my hood flew up and smacked my windshield, which obviously isn't good, but it cracked my windshield pretty nice. There's a big spot in the corner where it kind of pans out from, not good, and it completely ruined my hood. My hood was carbon fiber. At the time I bought it, it was about $850. It was a nice C8. Now, a couple years later, when I looked, they are over $1,000 for the same hood. So, needless to say, I did not get the same one again. I just went with the stock hood this time. But now I have to replace the hood and both front side fenders because they got absolutely ripped by the hood hinges. When it flew up, it just ripped right through them somehow. So I have to replace all of that. My luck has been super good lately, as you can see. And now I have a lot of work to do on my car. Speaking of work on vehicles, however, the next video I plan to make, today's Saturday, like I said, so this should be Monday morning, I'm going to go get something. And that, I feel like that's a big enough hint when I said, like, speaking of work, and then that's a girl. And I said, gonna go get something. Like I said, if everything goes to plan, that'll be Monday morning. I already have the stuff scheduled, so it should be happening. Yay, the car meet is here. But that's just a little teaser, I guess, of what's to come. There should be next video, unless I end up making 2 today. We'll see. There's not very many people here, so I might end up just making this a normal ride. That's unfortunate. Scat pack. Let's see, I don't know if I'm too early or too late. Like if everyone already left or if people are still showing up. Or if it's just not a huge attendance today. But I looked at what time I took these pictures last year. In October, it said 5:30. So that's what time I tried to get here. There are far less people. C8, another Challenger, another Challenger, another Corvette. I can't lift my hands up, otherwise I'd wave. Mustang. Anything else? Well, this was disappointing. I had this planned for like 2 weeks because I was like, oh, I'll finally be able to ride on a Saturday, but this is all that's here. That is a bummer. Looks like more people might be showing up. What's disappointing? Looks like I'm just gonna end up going the extra long way home. And I'll just make this a normal-ish video. Sorry about that. Like I said, I don't know if I'm early, late, or there's just a low attendance tonight. They probably had it closer to like 3 or 4. That's probably when most people were here. I should have came a little bit earlier. I was gonna say, well, now I know for next time, but there's probably not gonna be a next time anytime soon, so. Oh, look at that. There's a big bike group right in front of me. Yeah, I probably won't get the chance to do that on a Saturday anytime soon. That's unfortunate. And I went the wrong way. I completely forgot what I was doing. I went the wrong way out of habit. Sorry, I am all over the place right now. Dang it. I needed to turn left at that light back there. So I got turned around, but this video's really not going as planned. Like I said, I was expecting there to be like an actual car meet going on. Well, like there was one going on. I just meant more to look at. I was probably gonna get off and walk around and stuff, look at them, but there's nobody really there. Trying to think if I just go to that construction area, turn left and take that road I'm not a huge fan of, or if I come down here, pick a spot to turn around at like Dairy Queen or something, and then just come back this way and make it 2 videos. I think I'm probably going to turn around at Dairy Queen, come back and try to make it 2 videos, because if I go the other way and make it 1 video, it's going to be way too long. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Feels good to be back. Was gone with Army training for a while, a couple weeks, but obviously I'm back home and riding again, which is nice. Definitely missed it. I didn't miss the commute back and forth to work every day where I had to deal with a bunch of idiots, but I did miss being home. I'm not really looking forward to going back to work tomorrow, but don't have a choice. I personally don't get why you would ever ride with no helmet like that. I think it's a horrible idea for very obvious reasons. It's also really hard to breathe. When the wind's hitting you that fast in the face, it's kind of hard to fight it and breathe, but I don't know, to each their own, I guess. I'm just not sure why you would do that. If you wreck, your chances of survival are so slim compared to if you just simply put a helmet on. That's the main reason I don't get it. That and comfort, like I said, but parking lot sucks. Should I pull up to the driveway? Yep, driveway. That's what I meant. Totally didn't mean to say drive-through. Well, I apologize that this video didn't go as planned. I wanted it to be a lot cooler. But I guess it's just gonna go differently today. I'm gonna wrap this one up here and I'm gonna make one on the way home. I'm just gonna head back the way I came. And hopefully something exciting happens. We'll see. In a good way, of course. But I'll see you in the next one. And should have a nice surprise coming on Monday. I'll see you guys then.